Welcome back for another XRP price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets here on the XRP chart, give you reasons as to why I'm expecting a massive breakout above the $1 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first sharing a chart pattern that we have continued to hold within, which is this ascending channel, which has more than 3 touch points, and there are high chances that this chart pattern is just about to break out. And since this is a bullish chart pattern, I'm expecting a breakout to the upper side, and as a result of this, I'm expecting XRP to give us a break, maybe see a successful retest of the upper side of the channel, then continue gearing up and see a break above the significant high that we have at around the $0.95 mark, and a break above that significant high, then XRP can be able to get above the $1 mark. XRP has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and if I zoom out on the charts to give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that after seeing our December lows down here, we started this nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. Then after seeing the low for the second wave, we started gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, in a move that has now given us a high at around the $0.95 mark. And then afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And remember that our wave 3 also played out the day we had positive news that XRP is not a security, giving us this massive pump to the upper side. And since we have a high in place for the third wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has also managed to get into the minimum target areas that I have been giving you on my previous videos by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5. And you can see that we have fully maximized that target area, and at the time of this recording, we have started to see a very nice reaction to the target area, in a move that should now give us a very nice impulse in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for the wave 5 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the high of that wave 3. I have a minimum target area at the Fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $1.1243 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 5 to the upper side to do. And that fully supports my statement that XRP is going to give us a break above the $1 mark in the next coming hours, once we see the start of that impulse in the formation of that wave 5, since we have fully maximized minimum target areas for the wave 4. If I also jump to the daily chart to give you what I'm expecting on the long term, and areas where we can see Matic get above in the next coming days, here on the daily chart, you can see that after seeing our lows in 2020 at around the $0.15 mark, we peaked in the formation of this wave 1, giving us a high at around the $1.98 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and XRP is now ready for a massive pump in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave, I have a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $3.217926 mark. And that means that on the daily time frame, we can see that XRP has high chances of getting above the $3 mark in the next coming days. And that is what I'm expecting on the XRP chart on the short term and also on the long term. And if I get back to the 4-hour chart so that we can also take a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 63 mark, that is the 72 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we are going to print a bullish cross to fully support higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.